This weather report brought to you by Secure Storage Cairns.
G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Some compact little storms got going this afternoon across the Wide Bay and Capricornia, but we've got the all clear for tomorrow, at least for the eastern half of Queensland, before the threat increases again on Wednesday, Thursday. Today's temperatures were above average from every angle. All stations hit the 30s, and last night's minimum of 24.4 in Cairns broke an 80-year record for September at the airport. Looking at the satellite loop now, you can see it started off pretty clear, but already by midday we saw that telltale storm cloud starting to develop through central Queensland. We had some short, sharp little storm cells move through the Capricornia later on, and they affected the Wide Bay as well as Bundaberg, but at no point did we have to issue a severe thunderstorm warning. They were quite quick moving cells, and most of them have now cleared. We'll see the next lot coming in from the west on Tuesday, and then moving into the eastern half for Wednesday, Thursday. Let's have a look at today's chart. It's difficult to see the feature that produced those storms this afternoon, but there is a little weak trough there. Otherwise, very open pressure pattern, light winds, hence the early fog. On tomorrow's chart, though, we start to see a little bit more organisation. High moves offshore, more northerly winds, and a generally warmer day. Now, the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Cairns water southeasterly winds up to 20 knots tomorrow, then dropping back to 10 to 15 knots on Wednesday, east-southeasterly for Thursday. Tomorrow starts out with a high tide early in the morning, followed by a gentle fall to the daytime low tide. With last quarter moon just behind us, the tidal range is fairly subdued. North tropical coast and tableland, some early fog, and then just a very outside chance of a coastal shower. Cairns 32 degrees, another warm one. Atherton 28, Innisfail 30, and Mareeba 32. Looking ahead for Cairns, nothing exciting on the horizon. The chance of rain in the next 7 days is very low. The sun will shine quite strongly and temperatures will stay comfortably above average. For Atherton, we're getting temperatures in the top range of about 29 to 30 degrees all week, with bottoms in the mid to high 20s. A few old tips on how to forecast weather by watching farm animals. Horses normally sleep standing, but if you catch one lying down for a rest, it's often said to foretell wet weather. Many farmers claim that free-ranging pigs can be seen carrying straw into their shelters before an outbreak of rain. Unusually low fertility rates in cattle are apparently noticed before the onset of a long drought. And all the way from Spain, a donkey nodding and swaying its head is a sure sign that something's about to change. Thanks, June, for the artwork, and Glenda John for the research. Have a nice evening, folks, and now it's back to the team.
Great, thanks for that, Livio. And that's all from us for this Monday. Thanks very much for your company. Also, a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7plus app or catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. And from all of us here, good night.